I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a clear pose and simple volumes. This drives everything else. First, draw a quick skeleton to map weight and balance, then add geometric blocks for head, chest, pauldrons, arms, and legs so you can see mass and silhouette. Once done, check proportions. Make the torso broad and the limbs chunky to sell armor. Keep lines light. You will refine edges later. This prevents redesigning anatomy when you add armor plates and weapons. Now translate volumes into armor. Draw overlapping plates that follow the body's motion, because armor reads better when it wraps around form. Emphasize key elements, large pauldrons, chest plate, knee guards, and break surfaces with panel lines, bolts, and vents to suggest weight and function. Add a clear weapon silhouette and align the hand to the grip. This informs forearm and finger placement. Once done, refine joint gaps for mobility, so the figure looks believable in motion. Finish by inking confidently. Use heavier lines on foreground elements and thinner lines on receding parts to create depth, then erase remaining guides. For color, block in midtone base, place shadows where plates overlap, and add rim light to separate silhouette from background. Introduce subtle scratches and grime to sell realism. If proportions or perspective look off, temporarily lower opacity and compare to the initial block sketch. Align plates to the original volumes to correct major errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.